Hey there, today I have a Nadine West unboxing for you. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, it is another one of those online subscription services similar to Stitch Fix, but it's supposed to be at a lower price point, and there's only an upfront charge of $9.78, which is a shipping charge, which does get applied to whatever you purchase. This is actually my second time trying Nadine West. I did try it out last month, and I'll put a card up above in case you want to check it out. You know, last month it was okay, but I wasn't really that impressed. But I do appreciate that it is a more affordable option to Stitch Fix, and it is kind of fun to, you know, get something in the mail. So I decided I'd give it another shot, and we'll see what we get. Okay, so with Nadine West, they send everything in this little, it kind of looks like an Ipsy bag. So, you know, they can't really fit too much in here. So you'll see we have my little package of clothing items. And there's also an invoice, and it lists all the items that I received. Oh, and it looks like I only got 3 items this time. So yeah, it's a very tiny little package. So just 3 items. But it does come nicely wrapped. They have it in plastic and then a little pink tissue. Okay, so let's see. Let's see what I got. First, I'll go over the jewelry items. Okay, and the first item is a pair of earrings, and it's wired rectangle earrings by Elin, and it's $14.99. So here they are, and they're okay. I honestly, yeah, I don't know. These are probably earrings I probably wouldn't wear, and $15 seems a little high for this. So, okay, so that's the first item. And then next is a necklace, and it's the Leaf Me Bee in silver, and it's $19.99. And here it is. It's just a kind of a basic, if you can see that. I mean, it's okay. It's nothing super great, and it's $20 for this, but not bad. I'll try it on. And lastly, I have a dress, and this is actually kind of promising looking. It's kind of a knit material, and it has cold shoulder, which I'm not really big into the cold shoulder trend, but I like the print. It's very pretty, and I like the cut of the dress. I love flowy dresses. So this is by Moa, M-O-A, in a size small, and it's $29.99. So that's not a bad price for this. If this fits, this might be a win. So, okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this dress on, and I guess the necklace. I probably won't try the earrings because I don't think I'm gonna keep them. But anyway, let's see how this looks. Okay, so here it is, the dress. Oops, watch out, Kaya. Watch out. Okay. And, you know, it's not bad. The sleeves are a little long, and it does have this kind of interesting cold shoulder with not just cold shoulder, but it also has some kind of crisscross detail. It's a very pretty print, and it's a flowy dress, and I actually like these kind of flowy dresses. It's just the sleeves are a little bit long. I mean, the length I think is okay. It might be a little short, but not terrible. Yeah, these sleeves, I don't know, they're a bit long. And I noticed she sized down to a small, so it's a good thing she sent a small versus a medium, because that would have been too big. And actually, this necklace is pretty cute. I don't mind it, actually. It is cute. You know what it kind of reminds me of something? It's very simple. It's silver. It looks like something you could get from a craft fair, maybe, or Etsy. Okay, so there is the dress. And the only item of clothing I got from Nadine West this time, but not bad. It's pretty cute. Okay, so that was everything I got in my second Nadine West box, and actually I was kind of happy with it this month. I kind of like this dress. I mean, I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I mean, $29.99, and I do have that $9.78 credit, well, from my shipping charge. So it would be basically like $21 for this. It's a nice knit material, you know, and it is hand wash, hang dry, and this is a 95% rayon, 5% spandex. Made in the USA, actually. It's a nice dress, and I really like this print. Do you see the colors? And I don't know how I feel about the cold shoulder, but I thought it looked okay. The sleeves were a little bit long, but I bet you it'd be easy to alter. I mean, I do have a sewing machine. You could do it. But yeah, so let me know what you thought. I really do, I kind of like this dress. I would say these earrings are probably a no. And I kind of like the necklace too, actually. I mean, it was pretty cute and kind of basic. I could see myself wearing this actually a lot, so we'll see. Let me know what you thought. I was pleasantly surprised by Nadine West this month, and like I said, it is a lower cost option to Stitch Fix, and it is kind of fun. It's kind of fun to be surprised, isn't it? So anyway, so that's all I have for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I do a lot of unboxing videos, Stitch Fix. I've done Golden Toad and Mix and Match. I also do shopping hauls. So lately I did a Target one, and I did kind of like a random Ross, and I like to get deals, so I go shopping a lot. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and take care now. Bye.